Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. Today we're going to work with our little glassine bags. But first, a shout out to Deborah, Judy, Karen, and Alice. I appreciate each and every one of you. So I have some adorable little glassine bags, and we're just going to open it up, and we're going to take some book page, and we're going to cut it so it will fit down inside the glassine bag, just like that. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to trim around the top of the glassine bag like this. Okay, and then we're going to take our milled lavender and we're going to apply the milled lavender on the edges of the glassine bag, not just on the edge of the cut, but right on top of where the words are, so that you can actually see that there is a very pretty light pale lavender color. Actually kind of looks pink to me, but anyway, it's beautiful. And just put this on both sides because it's a glassine bag and you're going to be able to see it from both sides. Alright, so now you're going to take a little fussy cut and you're going to do the same and put the milled lavender around the outside cuts of the whatever you choose, whether it's a butterfly or a flower or whatever your choice is. We're going to go ahead and we're going to glue this on now onto the dictionary page. And I am waiting for this glue to come down. Should have had it upside down. I think it's right there now. I thought it was right there. I would have put you on hold till I got it to come down if I knew it was going to take this long. Okay, I got the glue on the fussy cut. Now I'm just going to place it on here, just like that. Then we're going to apply a little bit down at the bottom on the dictionary page. This is the trickiest part of it all. We're going to put this back in without adhering it to the bag, or it reaches all the way to the bottom. Hopefully we can do this. I'm going to bend it just a little bit to get this in. All the way to the bottom, just like that. And because we put the glue in, it's going to be adhered to that. Isn't that beautiful? Now we're just going to put a little bit of glue up here on the top so that this book page will go ahead and be stuck to the glassine bag here on top. I'm going to smooth this out a little bit. All right, now I'd like to add a little bit of embellishment on top. I'd like to take a couple of my little flowers, my little white flowers, and attach them right here. I have to take that back out. And just put a little bit of glue right on the flowers themselves and put it there. Then I'm going to put a little bit more glue on the center, in the center of them. And I'm going to get my pearls, my flat back pearls, and I'm going to put them right in the center of the flower. Hopefully they will come off of my finger. There we are. Then we're going to fold this down just like that. Oh my goodness, guys, aren't they beautiful? Oh, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you subscribe and join me in my next video. See you soon. Bye.